Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things, but not the entire box. So let's dig in and see what we got. And again, in case you're new to this cord that they put on here is actually jewelry grade cord. It's wax cotton, and it's a beautiful color. It's like a turquoisey teal color, so you can reuse that for jewelry making. And let's see. They put a sticker on here this time. And they've done some changes. This here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the projects in this box. And it's top secret, I can't show you. Right? So usually there is shredded wood, I guess I would say. So what's it gonna be? Ooh. Oh, I need my scooper thing. Alright. I'm like really bad allergies right now. I have cold. It's at the end of the cold. But my sinus is just driving me nuts. This is black, and I swear this is the peacock finish. Like it might be crystal moray, or the moray color. See how it looks? Purple, orange, red, yellow. I swear that's the one that I see on the peacock, so I don't know. But the peacock finish is usually like polka dots. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It'll tell us on the website what it is. And then we have, oh my gosh, I love these. These are the 6mm matte. I've never seen them in matte. Czech disc beads. There's another one in there. They look awesome in matte. I've always seen these in shiny. I really like them in the matte because it makes me think of the lava beads, and I think those look really nice. These would be awesome flowers. They would be black flowers, but they would be gorgeous. And again, remember that project I did with those beads and made flowers out of them? What is that? These look alien. They really do. Those are so cool. Okay, we have bead stringing wire. Looks like there's a lot there. And then my alien beads. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. I feel like there's something biting my back right now. Wow, and look at how they all look different. This one looks purple. This one looks gold. This one looks blue. Like that's a different coating on each one, right? Those there look the same. That's awesome. These actually look ancient to me. But then they have like an alien vibes. They're so darn cool. It's like something from Egypt or something. I don't know. You ever watch Ancient Aliens? Like that's what I'm getting from those. Those are awesome. Okay, really amazing. Next thing is wire guardians, whatever. Put your bead string wire through there, protects your wire, and then crimp beads. Almost was a loss for words there. No way! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Have I seen this bead before? I might have seen this bead one time, but I don't think I own this bead. Holy cow. Actually, I might be thinking of a button. I think I might have seen this in a button, but this is a bead. Is this black? It is. It almost looked like the green color. That green color is really dark. That is so amazing. Look at that. Wow. The color is crazy. I wonder, you know, that color that's on all of these is the color that's on that too. What's it gonna be called? I wonder if that's something new. I've never seen this before. We got a ball head pin, and then we got 4mm or 3mm jump rings. We got maybe 7mm jump rings, are pretty thick, maybe 20 gauge. And then 3 lobster claws. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have 3 projects. And then we got 10mm, I think, Druks. Yeah. Beautiful, matte. And then 2 jump rings. And then oval ones. They're like small. PIP beads, these are black. What do you guys think about these beads? What do they make you think of? They're really amazing. So, matte PIP beads. Then, these are 8mm. I said those are 10, right? These are 8mm Czech Druks. Oh my gosh, what is that? Are those seed beads? They're so perfect looking. Yeah. Those are 8. Oh no, I totally missed the baggie. Okay. And then, right here, yeah, these are seed beads. Matte black. They are gorgeous. Have I used this before? I think I used these beads maybe one time that I could think of in a bracelet or something. It was a long time ago. You know what I shouldn't be opening? They're matte black. You can obviously tell that. I'm going to spill these. So, nothing too fancy. Okay, so this is the same as these 4mm Druks with this amazing pink, orangey, golden, purple, even like blue color. Yeah, this is so pretty. Look at that. I wonder how they're going to use these 2 larger ones. Teardrops. That's the small teardrop, by the way. It's the little guy. I think there might be one smaller than this. But that's, you know, a small one. And then 3mm Czech fire polish. I don't think I've seen this color before. Like, it made me think of the peacock, but peacock has polka dots. This is something else. Almost, this is like the crystal moray, not crystal, crystal means clear. The moray color, you know, they put it on different beads, like on clear beads and stuff, and depending on what color you put it on, it changes the bead. So maybe it's moray, I don't know. It's so magical. And then what's this? Chain. I don't know if this is this might be extender chain. I gotta see. Yes. Extender chain. Was it? Oh my gosh. Diacrylic? Maybe this is the diacrylic color. You know what? I designed a project with February's box, the Czech Beads exclusive box. I did a tutorial on it. I haven't uploaded it yet. I was late in that tutorial because I have so much going on. I've been sick. I haven't even had time to do my nails. They've grown out so much. I cannot believe the product has not started coming off yet. It's amazing. Anyways, this is the diacrylic color. I think maybe that's what's on the black beads, and that's why it looks so incredible. And maybe also it's having a different reaction on the matte beads. those are awesome. I forgot what these are called. I've seen people use these in stitching projects. I think they're very unusual, weird alien-like beads, if you know what I'm saying. And then, what's this? 4mm fire polish? Yeah. Okay, so... thought we had 3 here. Did we cover it up? I swore I took out 3mm fire polish. What's going on? Okay, these are 4. Maybe I'm thinking of those. Really cool. In the faceted beads, the color plays even more. Okay. What's this? Ooh, these are the half pinch beads. So it's a pinch bead cut in half. 3-sided, like a pinch bead, cut in half. Makes this little 3-sided pyramid looking thing. I actually thought this bead was really weird when I first started using it. And with the projects that is made in this BohemStyle box, there's been some amazing designs used with these beads. And it's opened my mind to them more, because I thought they were weird. Really cool. Does it look better in my hand? Or in here? So it's that same finish again on the black. It's really awesome. Okay. I am excited. These here are definitely my fave. They're so bizarre. Oh, you know what? I got an origami bead. It was beige. Matte beige origami bead, and it had this color on it. I got it maybe last year in a haul. Maybe I could find a picture and put it up. Just look for that origami bead. It's a big, like 18mm bead with the mandala pattern on it. So that's what this is kind of like. It's kind of like that bead. It's really neat. So I got everything out, right? Yep, no leaky beads. So this is it. How exciting. I cannot wait to play with this. It's going to be a lot of fun. Remember, I'm going to have a picture at the beginning and end of this video of what all of this looks like put together if you want to see the project. At this time I'm filming this, I have no idea what it's going to look like, but you'll see the finished project. All of these put together at the beginning and the end. And even though I tell you guys this, there's still people that comment and they're like, Alicia, I can't wait to see what you're going to make. Well, guess what? The picture's at the beginning and the end, and you're obviously not watching the whole video to know this. So, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. I'm going to leave a link for the BohemStyle box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to materials you see here. Hopefully, I can find these incredible, amazing beads and post them down below so you guys can go and buy them individually. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.